Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mohammad Inzamam from Sai Meda ESET Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. Guys, Sai Meda is bringing you a beautiful opportunity for all the diploma third semester students. Those who are going to write the examination, guys, in very few days, Sai Meda is bringing you a beautiful opportunity, guys. All subjects of third semester for all branches, that is mechanical, ECE, EEE, computers and all branches, guys, all 5 branches, they are going to get all topic wise video lectures for free. Mark my words, guys, one more time I am telling, that is mathematics and 4 other engineering subjects you are going to get absolutely for free, but on one condition, that only starting 500 members ki matrame ee offers anedi valid untai. That means today itself this offer is going to start, guys. We don't know when it is going to end, because starting the first 500%, guys, those who are going to come and join, those who are going to join in online, guys, they are going to get for absolutely for free. Total course of 5,000 rupees, guys. That is 1 mathematics engineering subjects of third semester and other 4 subjects of all ECE, EEE, mechanical, civil and computers. All 5 branches students from third semester diploma, guys, they can apply and get for free of cost this total coaching. And sir, ఏ విధంగా మనం అనేది అప్లై చేసుకోవాలి, how we are going to apply this coupon of 5,000 rupees. ఆ కూపన్ అనేది మనకి ఈ రోజు నుంచే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. The very moment, guys, this coupon is going to be start 5,000. If you are going to apply, you are going to get the total semester coaching, guys, up to your examination point of view. It's going to become very free of cost. It's going to be, you are going to get, guys. Okay, చలో చూసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ మీద మీకు ఆల్రెడీ saimeda.in యాప్ అనేది కనబడుతూనే ఉంది. గైస్, saimeda.in యాప్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవాలి. వన్స్ యూ ఓపెన్ ద యాప్, గైస్, యూ విల్ బి ఫైండింగ్ అ స్టోర్కి వెళ్ళాలి. స్టోర్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయాలి. Then after that, guys, here you can see mechanical, civil, EEE, ECE and CME. All 5 branches of what, guys, you are having the courses from the third semester. Now what you need to do, you need to tap on whatever course you are in, guys. May ఏ course ఉంటే ఆ course మీరు tap చేసుకోవాలి. Suppose you are in mechanical. So actually the total cost is 5,000. 5,000 ని reduce చేసి 2,000 పెట్టాం. Now for all the students, guys, those who are preparing for the third semester, wonderful opportunity, guys. That means once you click it over here, you can find, కొంచెం కిందకి వస్తే మనకి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, థర్డ్ సెమిస్టర్ 21 కూపన్ కోడ్ అని ఉంది. అవునా కదా? వన్స్ యూ అప్లై దిస్ కూపన్, గైస్, వ్యూ ఆల్, observe here, flat 2,000 rupees off again, apply, coupon code applied, guys. Now you need to pay only internet handling charges. In the 5,000 loan course, 2,000 loan course, now it is for only 60 rupees, guys, that is 59. So by now this internet handling charges you need to click on, and then you need to select what, guys, state అనేది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం, తెలంగాణ అని. ప్రొసీడ్ టు పేమెంట్ ప్రొసీడ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ చాలా ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి మీకు. ఫోన్ పే నుంచి పేమెంట్ చేయొచ్చు, గూగుల్ పే నుంచి పేమెంట్ చేయొచ్చు, కార్డ్ నుంచి పేమెంట్ చేయొచ్చు, ఫోన్ పే, దెన్ యూపీఐ, నెట్ బ్యాంకింగ్, వాలెట్, ఆల్ దీస్ ఆప్షన్స్, guys, you can use to complete your payment. Payment అయిపోయిన వెంటనే within 24 hours, guys, your account is going to be activated within 24 hours only. అప్పుడే within spot also, guys, sometimes it is going to be activated, sometimes it's going to get late due to some error, but within 24 hours, guys, absolutely your account is going to be activated. So hurry up, guys, you can watch all the video lectures. Observe ఇక్కడ, once you open any one of the branches, suppose EEE branch ఉంది, కంటెంట్ ఉంది, కంటెంట్కి వెళ్తే you will be finding their maths is there, electrical circuit, electronic circuit, EME and DC machines ఉన్నాయి. సపోజ్ ECE you are opening, guys, you will be having here ECE వాళ్ళకి చూడండి, కంటెంట్కి వెళ్ళాలి. కంటెంట్కి వెళ్తే you will be finding there maths is there, digital electronics, EDC, analog, network analysis, and similarly you can watch the mechanical video lectures also. Mechanical video lectures లో మనకి అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి. మ్యాథ్స్ ఉంది, సాలిడ్ మెకానిక్స్, మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ టెక్నాలజీ, థర్మోడైనమిక్స్, ఇంజనీరింగ్ మెటీరియల్స్. Similarly CME branch you will be having what, guys, digital electronic, computer architecture, data structure, RDBMS, and similarly civil students are going to be having what, guys, mechanics is there, building materials, surveying, transportation engineering and mathematics. So these are all the subjects, guys, which you are going to get absolutely for free if you join in the top 500 students, guys. Those who are going to join 500 students, guys, first 500 students ki matrame automatically ఇది expire అయిపోతది. You are having the time, guys, make sure you join as soon as possible to be in that 500 members and get the total course of third semester, guys, absolutely for free. మళ్ళీ ఇంకో పాయింట్ చెప్తున్నా మీకు, చూడండి, guys, you are going to be getting the, మనం ఆల్రెడీ థర్డ్ సెమిస్టర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ అయిపోయిన వెంటనే we are going to start the 4th semester plus 5th semester plus ESET, guys. 1.5 year course we are going to start in online and as well as offline. Online ఉంటుంది, ఆన్లైన్ తో పాటు ఆఫ్లైన్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. Whatever you require, guys, you can join by downloading the saimeda.in app. So what are you waiting for? Download the saimeda.in app now, apply the coupon, guys, and take the admission for third semester. And I wish you all the best, guys, for all the third semester aspirants. Pass this information to all of your friends, guys, those who are studying in second year, third semester diploma in any one of the branch, to get the total digital recorded video classes of all subjects topic wise, guys, absolutely for free. This is Mohammad Inzamam signing off.